And if you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification bell if you don't miss a video. But today is gonna be an interesting day, man. I decided not to sell my E36 anymore. I decided to actually keep it and use it for the channel. Basically, you guys will see me customize it and just go through the journey with me and making it to what I want it to be. I'm gonna fix it up. I've started a little bit of upgrades and like mechanical fixes to it already, man. I already started improving it. I bought it for a flip, but it took me a while to kind of come up to this decision to keep the car. But basically what was going on, I couldn't really get rid of it quick enough, and because of the year, the car was kind of harder to flip. So I decided, man, instead of penny pinching to make a little money off of it, I might as well keep it, and hopefully it can help me grow the channel. So that's what I'm gonna do. Today, man, I'm doing a lot of maintenance of my vehicles, man. Got my Honda Pilot and my Acura MDX right now. You guys can't see it right now. I'll turn the camera around and show you guys. But today I got front brakes and 2 oil changes, and I'm actually gonna put tags on the E36 today. So you guys might see me with that car later on in the video. But definitely, man, I just want to thank everybody who support the channel and who's actually a subscriber. And if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, man. We're trying to grow this channel. And yeah, man, hope you guys will stay with me on this journey, man. I'm not really worried about becoming like a big YouTube sensation or anything like that. I just want to link up and network with car guys that's just like myself, you know. I'm also an auto mechanic, so I've been in the field and been working on cars since 16 years old. I started kind of late, but it's my passion, it's what I love to do, and this is what I'm gonna bring you guys along with, man. So today, man, I got my Pilot and my Acura MDX today, man. We're gonna be doing a lot of maintenance, but not a lot of maintenance. I just got to do an oil change on this one. Got the oil change on this one too, and front brakes. Just the pads. I just replaced the rotors, but the pads are making a lot of noise, so it's time for them to go. So yeah, man, just stick around and stay tuned, man. We got a lot more to do today. This morning I spent a lot of time at the NVA trying to get the tags for the E36 and trying to get everything in line. And man, it's been a rough morning so far, man, but I ain't gonna let that slow me down. So yeah, man. So guys, right now I got the oil draining. These cars are pretty straightforward with the oil change. Drain plugs here, and the oil filter is right there. So I'm draining the oil first, and then I pour the oil filter. And yeah, so that's what I got going on right now. All right, guys, I'm back. So my car takes 0-20. This is what I normally use, synthetic oil. Just put in all 5. Got a case. But yeah, man, I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the light too. This is not really an oil change video. I'm just showing you guys what I do on my maintenance for my cars, man. All right. All right, guys, it's been a minute since I've done my oil change. Oh shit, got the music on. But yeah, man, this is how you reset the oil maintenance light on these, man. I don't know if you can see it, but go through this strip thing, hold it down. Let's open it. We have a zoom on it. Go back through. All right, you hold it. Wait till it starts flashing. It says oil life. You hold it. Now everything is flashing. Hold it again. Now it says 100% oil life. So that's all it is, man, when you're doing these oil changes on these Hondas, man. Alright, so she's all done. Now we're moving to the Acura, man. Make sure I pop the hood on this one. On this one I gotta do some brakes, man. Alright, so guys, so I already started changing the brakes and stuff. These were my pads. They still got a little bit meat left on them, but they were real noisy, man. I just couldn't handle it no more, so I went to CarQuest and grabbed some pads. So these are the new pads that's going on there. Yep. Compare the difference in the meat of the pad. See how thick that is, and that's a little bit. It's about half the life is already gone on this pad, but like I said, I only replaced them because of the noise I was getting from them. Alright, man, now it's time to finish the job and get out this cold weather, man. To all my automotive group members, man, the brakes are all done. Got the left side, got the right side, new pads on there, and then I'm doing the oil change right now. So yeah, man. Hey guys, just put the last quart of oil in here, man. See some cheap shit, man. And I'll tell you guys why I put some cheap oil in this car, man. Those of you guys who have Acuras and Hondas, I don't know if you guys are aware that there's like a service bulletin out about these cars consuming oil. And this car it's getting up there in age or in miles. It has a service bulletin for the piston rings to be replaced, and gaskets and stuff for oil consumption. This is a 3.7 liter. I don't know if it's J or I think it's J, a J series motor. And yeah, man, with these cars, man, you gotta be careful. You gotta check your oil. Make sure you add oil if it's low, because you won't have to. You don't want to have to replace the whole engine. But I don't know, it's a real big job, man, to do. I'll probably eventually get around to it, but right now I'm just gonna let it ride, you know. I'm gonna show you guys how to reset the oil light. See, my mouse is crazy though. Alright, so first thing you want to get to is that you want to go to that to this screen where it has like the outside temperature, what else it has, trip, A trip, B trip, whatever. Alright, so just want to hold on to this button right here on the steering wheel. Hold it till it like flashes. Yeah, my mouse is pretty high. Then it's gonna ask you oil life reset. See it, oil life reset. And you go up to this button here, go up, select, and hit reset. There you go, 100% oil life. Alright, that's all taken care of. Now I'm about to go pick up my E36, put some tags on it. Going to turn that to my daily driver right now. So I figure out this oil situation. I mean, this engine situation on this one. If I wanna probably tear it down, do the piston rings, or just send it to the dealer and let them do it. You know what I mean? But yeah, man. Let's go pick up the E36 now. Hey, what's up, guys? K510 Automotive Group, and we back, man. I just got here to the E36 to come pick it up. Gotta put some brakes on it real quick. But it's officially getting tags today. Will be my little daily driver for right now, for a little bit. I'm basically keeping this car. I had it up for sale. I'm basically keeping it just to just for the YouTube channel, man. I'm gonna show you guys how I can transform cars. You know what I mean? Show y'all my skills. And I mean, this car has a lot of history to me growing up. This is one of the first BMWs I had ever bought. Bought a '94 BMW 318, and I had just started Lincoln Tech, and little did I know that BMWs are no joke to own, man. The problem I had on mine was it had a cracked cylinder head. So me not being mechanically inclined, and at the time I was still young, I did everything on the car besides pay attention to the engine. I got suspension, got brakes, got rims. Yeah, man, I went all the way out, all new suspension, all new brakes, rims, and everything, to find out that my cylinder head was cracked and my block was warped. So long story short, I ended up junking it, and I came across E36s here and there. You know, I had a 4-door E36. I had 5 Series. I have a 6 Series right here too. It's an old school. So now I'm back at the E36 again. But this time I'm gonna try to keep it, you know what I mean? At least for the channel. I'll probably give it away once I get it complete. You know, yeah, man, I just wanna document this, man, and show you guys what I see, man, in my day-to-day in my life. You know what I mean? I'm not rich or anything. Just have a passion for cars, and I know it's a market out there for it, man, and a lot of people in the community who are really into cars, you know. And yeah, I just want to show y'all my side of the story, you know what I mean? Basically my experience, what I've been through. So yeah, man, let's check it out. Man, today is cold, freezing. I disconnected the battery last time, so hopefully it starts. Alright, it's time to get to work, man. We go get started on these brakes. Yo, what's up, guys? I'm just giving y'all an update, man. Just changed out the brakes on this thing. Put new pads on it. The rotors look kind of rusty, but it's been sitting for a minute. I haven't drove it in like forever. The pads didn't even look all that bad either, man. It had a lot of meat on there too. But got some new pads though. Want to throw them on See how it rolls. All right, guys, we finally done, man. I did most of the work already. Put the car back on the ground. Check the brakes and all that. But yeah, man, get used to seeing this car, man. Put the tags on. We're gonna go crazy with this thing, man. I'm about to make it performance. And I like having aggressive look, you know. I like that beefy look to it. Right now I got some winter tires on, which I already seen the BBSs that I got for it, man. But yeah, man, I'm gonna try to get the M brakes, the M3 brake kit, the big brake kit. Me, I'm on performance. I like when a car performs good, you know. I'm not too big into looks too much, but as long as the car drives good, I'm gonna change the steering wheel. Definitely get one of them small steering wheels. And then the next project you're probably gonna see is the headliner. I'm gonna rewrap this headliner with some new material. Probably go for black. I like the black look. Yeah, man. Thanks for watching. And please like and subscribe. And I guess I can let you guys see me cruise down the street, man. See me cruise on the highway real quick. Alright. Man, this car feels amazing on the road, man. I'm used to driving my truck all the time. Being in this little car got me feeling different, you know what I mean? Like, man. Damn, it's a 99 too. Car has a lot of potential. Man, for everybody who subscribes to the channel, man, I really appreciate it, man. I know I keep saying that. It's just, you know, just seeing like an idea you had a year ago grow to where it's at now, you know. I mean, I do need to get more subscribers. I want to start doing daily vlogs. I want to start doing daily vlogs and stuff too, man. But it's just being a father and then having a job and all that stuff. It's really hard to get some alone time where you can just focus on your craft, you know. But I am passionate about this YouTube thing now, you know. It's crazy. It's crazy how far you can go, you know, with just sharing experiences, you know. Like, just letting people see what you see, what you do every day, what you like, you know, like, man, it's crazy how far you can go with this YouTube thing, man.